and Careers. I'm Zara.
And I'm Paul. It's great to see you again.
Today, we're going to talk about something very simple, but very important: introducing yourself in English with confidence.
Yes, because no matter where you are, a new job, a class, a party, or even online, the first thing we say is, "Hi, my name is..."
Exactly. But many learners feel nervous at that moment. Their heart beats fast, their mind goes blank.
I know that feeling. You study English for hours, but when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," the words just disappear.
Yes, and it's not about grammar or vocabulary. It's about fear. The fear of sounding wrong or being judged.
But don't worry. Today, we will help you feel relaxed. We'll show you how to make self-introductions easy, fun, and natural.
That's right. So stay with us till the end. And if you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe and write your favorite introduction line in the comments.
Okay, Zara, imagine this. It's your first day at work. You walk into a new office. People are smiling and saying, "Nice to meet you."
Yes, and your hands are a little sweaty. Someone looks at you and says, "Can you introduce yourself?"
That's the moment. What do you say?
Most people say, "My name is, I'm from," and then stop.
Right, but we can make it sound much better, friendly and confident.
Here's an easy structure you can always use. 1, your name. 2, your country or city. 3, your job or study. 4, one small detail, like a hobby or interest.
Exactly. Just 4 parts. Let's try it.
Hi, I'm Zara. I'm from London, I teach English, and I love meeting new students.
Perfect. Clear and natural. Now one more.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I'm from Korea, I study marketing, and I love photography.
Nice. Simple and complete.
Here's a small secret. Smile when you speak. It makes your voice sound warm and friendly.
That's so true. Confidence is not just in words, it's in your energy.
People feel your mood before they even understand your words.
Let's talk about tone. Many learners speak too softly. Try to raise your voice just a little. Talk like you're speaking to a friend sitting across the table.
Yes, friendly and open. Let's do a mini practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. I'm your job or student. And I love your interest.
Good. Now let's make it more natural by adding a question.
Example. Hi, I'm Zara. I teach English. What about you?
That's great, because it starts a conversation.
Yes, people love when you show interest in them.
Let's try one more. Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from Toronto. I work in design, and I love coffee. What do you do?
That sounds friendly, confident, and real. You don't need big words, just rhythm and confidence.
Speaking of confidence, do you remember our student, Crystal?
Oh, yes. Crystal was very shy before. She couldn't even say her name loudly.
But after 2 weeks of practice, she started speaking in every class.
She said something beautiful. When I speak with fear, people see fear. But when I speak with joy, people see joy.
Exactly. Confidence grows when you focus on sharing, not performing.
You're not being tested. You're just connecting.
Now, let's add a few new phrases for self-introduction. You don't always need to say, "Hi, my name is."
Yes, you can also say, "I'm called," or "People usually call me."
Or for formal situations, you can say, "Let me introduce myself."
Example. Let me introduce myself. I'm Zara, and I'm an English teacher.
And for friendly chats, you can say, "Hey, I'm Paul. Nice to meet you."
So remember, formal or casual, your tone should match the place.
Yes, job interview or cafe, classroom or airport, context decides your words, but confidence decides your impact.
Let's talk about pronunciation. Many learners forget to stress their name.
Yes, your name is important. It's your identity. Say it clearly and with a short pause.
Like this. Hi, I'm Zara. Pause. Smile.
Perfect. Don't rush. When you slow down, you sound more confident.
Okay, Paul, let's do a short role play. Imagine we meet at a travel event.
Great. You start.
Hi, I'm Zara. I teach English and travel around Asia. What brings you here?
I'm from Toronto. I'm here to learn about new cultures and eat some great food.
That was nice and friendly. Simple and easy to remember.
Now, let's give our listeners a small challenge.
Yes, think of one line that shows your personality.
For example, I'm a quiet person, but I love meeting new friends.
Or, I'm curious about everything.
Exactly. Your self-introduction should sound like you, not like a textbook.
And mistakes are okay. Don't wait for perfect grammar.
Yes, done is better than perfect. Just speak with a smile.
You can practice introducing yourself every day.
Talk to your mirror, your pet, or even your coffee cup.
Yes, it's funny, but it really helps. The goal is not perfection, it's comfort.
I talk to my coffee every morning. It never corrects my grammar.
That's why your English is so confident. Okay, Paul, before we finish this part, let's review.
Good idea. Here's the simple structure again. 1. Name. 2. Country or city. 3. Job or study. 4. One small detail, like a hobby or interest.
Then add a friendly question, like, what about you?
And remember, smile, slow down, and sound warm.
Confidence comes from practice, not from perfect grammar.
Exactly. Speak every day. Even short lines help you grow stronger.
All right, that's the end of part 1. In the next part, we'll learn how to introduce yourself in different real-life situations, like job interviews, online meetings, and travel conversations.
That's going to be really helpful.
Yes, so don't miss part 2.
Thank you for listening to Study and Careers. Remember, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing.
See you in the next episode, friends.
Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of Study and Careers.
Hi again. In part 1, we learned how to introduce ourselves simply and confidently.
Yes, and today we'll go one step further. We'll practice self-introductions in different real-life situations.
Like a job interview, an online meeting, or when you travel.
Exactly. These examples will help you speak naturally in any situation.
Let's start with a job interview. Many people feel nervous when they walk into the room.
Yes, interviews can feel scary, but don't worry. You just need a simple structure. Short, honest, and positive.
Here's an example. Good morning. My name is Zara. I'm an English teacher with 5 years of experience. I enjoy helping people express themselves.
That's perfect. Short and warm. You sound professional, but also friendly.
Exactly. You don't need to speak fast. Just slow down and smile.
You can also end with something like, I'm happy to be here today. That shows confidence and respect.
Yes, and remember, interviewers don't expect perfect English. They just want to see that you can communicate clearly.
Now, let's move to another situation. Online meetings.
Many people work or study online now, so this is really useful.
When the meeting starts, you can say, Hi everyone, I'm Paul. I'm based in Toronto. I work in design. It's nice to meet you all.
Simple and confident. You can add, I'm excited to join this project, or I'm looking forward to learning together.
And here's a small tip. Smile. Even if you're talking to a camera, people can hear your smile.
That's true. Your voice changes when you smile. It sounds warmer and friendlier.
Energy travels through your tone. Even a small hello sounds powerful when you sound happy to be there.
All right, let's imagine another moment. You're traveling, maybe in a cafe or at the airport.
Someone asks, Where are you from? What do you say?
You could say, I'm from Japan. It's my first time in Thailand, and I really enjoy the food here.
That's great. You're not only answering the question, you're opening a conversation.
Exactly. The other person might say, oh, I love Thai food too, and now you're chatting like friends.
That's what English is for. Connection, not perfection.
Yes, communication means sharing, not memorizing.
Let's give one more example. Hi, I'm Zara. I'm from the UK. I'm traveling in Malaysia, and I love meeting new people.
Nice! It's friendly, simple, and very natural.
Okay, friends, let's do a quick mini practice together.
Repeat after us.
Hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. I'm visiting place. I really enjoy something.
Good. This pattern helps you sound natural in daily conversations.
Let's do one more. Hi, I'm your name. I work as your job. I love your hobby.
Great job, everyone. Each time you say it, your voice will sound more confident.
Now, let's talk about describing your personality.
Yes, many learners find this part hard, but it's actually very easy.
You can use simple adjectives like friendly, curious, or hardworking.
Let's try some examples. I'm a curious person. I love learning new things. Or, I'm friendly and I enjoy helping people.
Those sentences are short but powerful. They show who you are.
You can also mix them with hobbies, like I'm friendly and I love playing guitar.
That sounds real and personal, not like a school exercise. Now, let's do a quick vocabulary spotlight.
Yes, today's special words are confident, outgoing, and introverted.
Confident means you believe in yourself. Example, I feel confident when I speak English.
Outgoing means friendly and easy to talk to. Example, Paul is very outgoing. He makes friends everywhere.
And introverted means you enjoy quiet time alone. Example, Zara is a bit introverted, but she loves deep talks.
Those are great words to describe your personality. You can use them in your introduction too.
Yes, for example, I'm an introverted person, but I enjoy meeting new people.
Perfect. That sounds honest and kind.
Now let's talk about something that happens to everyone, forgetting a word.
Oh, yes. Many learners stop talking when they forget something. But silence is okay.
Just smile, take a breath, and continue. You can say, sorry, I forgot the word, or how do you say?
That's real communication. Even native speakers forget words sometimes.
Yes, confidence doesn't mean knowing every word. It means staying calm when you don't.
Exactly. Your calmness shows maturity and control.
You can build confidence by practicing a little every day.
Yes, talk to yourself in English, in the mirror, in the kitchen, or while walking.
You can even record your voice. Listen to how you sound, then improve step by step.
That's a great idea. Confidence grows through small actions.
And remember, your accent is beautiful. It shows you're brave enough to speak a new language.
Yes, your accent is not a mistake. It's your story.
Before we finish, let's do one last practice together.
Okay, everyone, say this out loud. I'm your name. I'm from your country. I'm your job or student. I love your hobby.
Good. Now say it again, but this time with a big smile and warm energy.
Feel proud of your words. Every time you speak, you grow stronger.
Yes, confidence doesn't come first, action does. Speak first, and confidence will follow.
That's true. Motivation comes after action. When you speak, you improve.
So friends, remember this. English isn't just a language. It's a way to connect with people.
Yes, the more emotion and kindness you share, the more people connect with you.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep trying, keep smiling, and keep learning with confidence.
Every hello brings you closer to fluency.
That's such a nice thought.
And if you remember only one thing today, remember this: done is better than perfect.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining us on Study and Careers.
We're proud of you for speaking bravely today.
Subscribe, leave a comment, and tell us your favorite self-introduction line below.
We'd love to read it.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking with confidence.
See you soon, friends. You're doing great.
Bye for now.